Phil's Creepy Vids. Hey there, horror fans, it's your buddy Phil here, and I'm back at it today with yet another video for you guys. Today I was at my local EB Games, which is Canada's version of GameStop, and they had in stock the Funko Pop Shark Eating Boat Jaws exclusive to EB Games and GameStop. So I haven't really been buying a lot of Funko Pops lately, had to get off the Funko Pop train, but every once in a while a Funko Pop comes out that I definitely need, and this is one of them. So there you go, there's the back of the box, Shark Eating Boat. And this is one of the movie moments Funko Pops, so it's kind of a little bigger than normal Funko Pop displays. But I'm gonna unbox this bad boy, get it on the turntable, show it off up close and personal for you guys, so hold on tight, give me 2 seconds. So here you go, guys. Jaws Eating Boat from the good people over at Funko. First off, we can see the detail in the waves of the ocean. Really good wave detail there at the front of the boat. And just really overall good detail on this piece. You can see the boat there with the barrels, life preserver, you have the ship's wheel, ropes coming down from the mast. There's Quint, of course, being dragged into Bruce's mouth. Now, it would have been nice if Quint had his machete. That would have been a nice addition. You got the shark jaws there on the boat. This is, of course, the orca from the movie Jaws. But all in all, really nice detail. The expression on Quint's face says it all. He is about to die at the hands of one Bruce the shark. It is just one solid piece of plastic, basically nothing on the bottom, no articulation or anything. It's just a display piece. But yeah, really, really awesome. Shark Eating Boat from Jaws, movie moments from Funko Pop. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. I'll flip the camera around and give you my final thoughts, so hold on tight. So there you have it, guys. The Funko Pop movie moments, Shark Eating Boat, which is in actuality Jaws eating Quint. But really, really good representation of a kind of cartoony orca from the movie Jaws. You have Bruce the shark and, of course, ready to die Quint. Really nice display on a shelf overall. I like it. 2 thumbs up from me. Let me know in the comments, are you a fan of the movie Jaws? Will you be picking this one up if you see it at your local GameStop or EB Games? I would love to know if you're a fan of Jaws or not. I've loved Jaws pretty much since I was a kid. And yeah, so I'm happy to have this one. I also have the old McFarlane Jaws Eating Boat, which it's pretty rare now, but this one will be a good companion piece beside it. So let me know in the comments, are you a fan of Jaws? I would love to hear your views. And yeah, if you like great horror content like you've seen here today, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I go live or drop a new video. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up. It really helps out with my channel. And yeah, until next time, that's my time. Thanks so much for yours, guys. Have a great day. Peace!
So if you guys like that video, comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in Phil's next video. Peace!